In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover an inactive Epic Games account step by step using the official recovery options Epic provides. If your account has been dormant for a while or you're having trouble signing in, this tutorial will help you try the safest and most reliable methods first. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games sign-in page. Make sure you're on the real Epic Games website before entering any information, because account recovery should always be done through official support channels. Once the sign-in page loads, look for the option that says trouble signing in or forgot your password and click it. This is the first step Epic gives you for recovering access to an inactive or dormant account. Next, enter the original email address that was used to create the Epic Games account. This part is very important because Epic will usually send a reset or verification link to that exact email address. If the account is still linked to that inbox, check your email carefully for the recovery message from Epic Games. Open the message and follow the instructions to reset your password or reactivate the account. After that, try signing in again with your new password. In many cases, that is enough to restore access to an inactive account. If the account was only dormant and not fully locked, this can get you back in quickly. Now, if you do not have access to the old email address anymore, don't worry, there is still another option. In that case, go to Epic Support and use the live chat feature to speak with a representative. When you contact support, be ready to prove ownership of the account. They may ask for details like the original email, display name, purchase history, old account information, or other identifying information that can confirm the account belongs to you. The more accurate information you can provide, the better your chances of recovery. Be honest and give only the information you know is correct. Once support verifies your identity, they can guide you through the next steps to recover access or update the account details. After you regain access, it's a good idea to immediately update your password, check your email address, and make sure your recovery information is current. That way, if you ever have trouble signing in again, you'll be in a much better position to recover the account faster. So to recap, the fastest method is to use the Epic Games sign-in page, click trouble signing in or forgot your password, and recover it through the original email. If that email is no longer available, use Epic Support live chat and prove ownership of the account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.